The experienced pros want to help you get your business right. Have you joined the revolution? Visit meetup.com/The Revolution and become a business revolutionary. And now, back to Eric and Angel on the Experienced Pros Radio Show.
Welcome back to the Experienced Pros Radio Show. Thanks for taking time out of your day to join us for ours. It's time for our health tip with Dr. Lee Weisbard.
Dr. Weisbard calls in with a health tip every week at this time, so set your clock. Dr. Weisbard, there are so many options on the internet these days. How do you pick a good healthcare provider, and especially how do you pick a good dentist?
Well, I think you're right. There's a plethora of information on the internet, and the problem with that is you really have nothing personal. You don't have how does it feel, and that's really an important factor in choosing a healthcare provider. First of all, I think you should ask a friend, a coworker, a relative, and try to go see somebody who comes with a recommendation, somebody who tells you that this person will spend the time with you and feels good about them.
Absolutely.
Then you should be able to make an appointment for a consultation, and that dentist or healthcare provider should allow enough time to discuss your needs and build some kind of relationship and trust.
So you can make an initial appointment that isn't actually an exam or a teeth cleaning?
You should be able to. You should be able to make an appointment where the healthcare provider will sit down, you'll build you'll start to build a relationship, you'll find out if it's a good fit, and you should go with your heart. How does it feel? Do they care about you? Are they interested in you? Do they listen to you?
Yeah, you know, Dr. Lee, I have been guilty in years past of not following that advice, and I can just tell you what you're saying is absolutely the best way to go.
Oh, absolutely.
Well, because in healthcare, you're not buying a commodity. You know, you're not buying a jacket or a car. You're really buying some person's service and time. And you want to make sure that person is going to be able to meet your needs. You want to make sure that they're an expert in their field, that they have the information, that they're willing to go through it with you, that they're willing to discuss your test results, your x-rays, your exam, and show you pictures and give you information. They should be a resource for you.
Oh, I love that. And because Dr. Weisbard, so often you go in and you don't know until you're committed. Your mouth is open, you're in the chair, and if it doesn't feel right, it's almost too late. And I think that we put ourselves in those situations probably and needlessly.
It's pretty scary. And what's interesting is, you know, we'll interview for all kinds of things, but we forget that we can interview for our healthcare providers, for ourselves, for our families, our kids. And it's really important that we make sure, again, that it's a good fit for the person who's needing that care.
All right. So for our listeners, if you've not interviewed for a good dentist and you're looking for the right dentist to help you feel really comfortable about this situation,
I think you should go to my dentist.
Dr. Lee Weisbard at Weisbard Dental. Dr. Weisbard, give some contact information, would you please?
I would be happy to. We can be located on the internet at weisbarddental.com or 303-773-3373. And we are there to help assist you and give you information and be your resource, be your expert to help you make your own healthcare decisions.
You know what? It just feels right when you
Absolutely.
choose the right dentist to work with you and the right team. Weisbard Dental, Weisbard, Weisbard Dental, 303-773-3373. Dr. Weisbard, thank you so much for being on the show with our health tip today.
Thank you, guys, and have a great day.
She's amazing.